Hi buddy, 065 here. This is Robopet, and today arrived package number 7, Robopet White. This one took quite a while because they had a hard time figuring out the name. I'm always doing this one-handed. I'm upstairs this time. I had a feeling that this one would have arrived today. This is the broken one, but hopefully it works at least. Wow. Okay then. Wow. Okay then. Some serious major fixes. Sí, porque como está viejito. Okay, fixing. Have to go get the glue from downstairs and glue it from here. And then here as well. Should not be a hard fix. Test servos. Okay, good. Good. Yes. Let's see, this one. This one can't test because that one's broken, so I'm gonna put in some batteries and test them out. Thanks for watching. Hey buddies, we're 65 right now. I work on work in progress. I was putting these good gears inside the blue one because the blue one looks more better. And I discovered that yellow, when it gets really yellow, it breaks very easily. Cause I was trying to since the screws were stuck in there, so I had to break one of them off, especially on the last one, and it actually came off very easily. This probably broke off, but yeah. And yet, both circuit boards are very different. Until this circuit board and this one. This one's front leg and back leg, they're in the freeze right now, cause I had to glue the pieces so they wouldn't break. I put them in the freezer so they could freeze harder, and then you suppose these glues. So yeah, right now I'm opening up the servo. I'm about to take this one apart in a minute. Well, actually I'm going to take this one out because this one's a bit more closer and all, since it's on the leg. So yeah, the final video of the blue one working will be up soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey buddy, 065 here, I'm back, and yes, it's still a mess. I'm still working on this. Don't know how long it's been taking me so far, but as you can see here, this one, this one I gave it the bad gears that this one has, so this part of it is already fixed, and I'm actually going way inside the Robopet. So far, all I need to do now is just either switch the gearboxes or the gears inside if I can get to it, with that one, and yeah. Pretty much I'm doing a little bit of a live video recording and all, but I don't really want to record that much. But here are the parts to the white one, because this one right here is broken. I'm still waiting for it to harden before I can place it. The other one, I accidentally glued it the wrong way, but this part right here is on there now, but this one still needs to be glued. Still has all the parts. So yeah. I just hope this doesn't take me any longer to fix. It's taking me hours so far. But it's gonna be worth it, because actually, look. See? It's fixed. I'm like I said, I'm going way deep inside my Robopet. So yeah, you all get to see the inside of it. This has been 065. Thank you for watching again. This will be into a movie maker, and bye. Hey everybody, 065 here. Just to let you know, I'm done, and right now it's 6:33, so I started at 3:30, but not counting minutes, that means 3 hours it took me to fix him, and I haven't tested him out yet, so let's hope this works. Sweet. Aww. Sweet, so it all worked out. All I have to do now is put the other one back together. This one's different because this one has like 2 metal bars, the other one doesn't. So I'm gonna put this one back together and everything. My friend Jordan, he might send me his old one if you can find it, and I'm gonna use those parts so I can what's it called, so I can fix this one up and have 2 of them working. So this has been Zero65, thanks for watching and bye. Hey everybody, Zero65 here. I'm done putting the white one back together. I haven't tested them out yet either, so I guess I could do that now, but this part was like still broken, so yeah, we'll see how that works. Surprisingly, his body still works. Yep. Like I said, it sort of still works. Which is good. I just need to fix this leg and then I guess it'll work a little bit better. And here's my blue one. I love him. Scared me at first. Yep. Also, just to let you know, guys, this is a video for Joby Videos, aka Jordan, and Arbiter's Honor, aka Chris. Thank you for watching, and bye.